I'll guide you through how you can private your friends list on Facebook. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's do this. You may want to go and private your Facebook's friend list so only your friends, or maybe even just you, can go and see who you're friends with on Facebook. So I'm going to go and show you how you can do this, and you can do this on both a mobile device or a computer. The steps should be pretty similar. So the first thing we need to do is go navigate to our Facebook settings. So to do that, you just need to go firstly to menu page if you're on a mobile device, and if you're on a computer, you just need to go to the top right and tap on your profile icon and then tap on settings. But if we're on a mobile device, we first need to go to the Facebook menu, and depending on what type of device you use, either the menu is going to be in the bottom right, which is my case, or it may be in the top right on certain Android devices, I believe. So go and tap on menu like this, and then what you need to do is you can either go and click on the settings icon in the top right, the cog or gear icon, or alternatively just scroll down and you're going to see a section for settings and privacy near the bottom. Tap on it and it will then expand it, and then what you can do is go and click on settings. And then once you're in your settings, all you then need to do is go and scroll down like this until you see a section called audience and visibility. And then all you need to do is go and click on how can people find and contact you like this. And in this section here, as you can see, there's then the option for who can see your friends list, and at the moment it's set to public. So I'm going to go and click on this here, and then we go and get a few more options. As you can see, we've got public, friends, friends accept, and if you want to go and completely private it so only you can see it, go and tap on more at the bottom, and that's then going to go and reveal the option for only me. Then what you can do is go and click on that there, it will take a moment to update, and that's it. Now only you can go and see your friends list. Maybe you want specific friends to see your friends list, or maybe you just want your friends to see it and not the public. You can use any of those options, it's completely up to you. So yeah guys, that's it, and now you can go and use Facebook just as normal. So if you guys found this useful, please consider leaving a like. Peace.